Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma, ula Kular syaki hajar ngot ki Nonghikai Skul Adhoc ki balawan ishimenta, ha ke Rangbah bala Khot perlong da ke All Adhoc School Teachers Association of Meghalaya. Ba ur Khot Ïakren ni ki Nonghilam jong ni ka kanhon, ha ubnai Nohprah mentau senam araja kat khandai. Banyatai halor ki jingdawa ba ka ni ka kanhon jong ki Nonghikai Skul Adhoc ki lapan sngau syaka sorkar na wai senam sya waipan. Hakani ke Jylla ke belalong hamadan malki haka arpa pratrek mentau nailar arajar kat khandai. Nakal yang presiden jong ke All Adhoc School Teachers Association of Meghalaya. Ubak kenet syadab ula aitiru ya ke dorkhas ha Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla ban penken mau ik jingdawa ki bakane ke kanhon ki Nonghikai Skul Adhoc ki lapan sngau nakapor syakapor syaki tendong skor jong sorkar khamtam haka baidai ba ke jingdawa ban kentiu syaka kerdan deficit school ya ki Skul Adhoc ki balarim haka Jylla.
Friends, education has been one of the top priorities for my government. From the day we have come in to the government, and even before it, when we were in election campaign mode, or even before that, when we were making up the constitution of our party, and even before that, when late P.A. Sangma was the president of the party, the seeds of the thought of how important education is in our society was sown very, very long time back. My late father was a teacher. One of his first careers in life was teaching. He was very passionate about it, and he used to tell us how it was one of the most satisfying professions that he had. He said, in politics, no matter how much work and good you do, there will always be P.A. Sangma Murdabad, P.A. Sangma Murdabad. But then, when you're a teacher, when you see your students grow, and when you see your students become successful people in life, he said you can't compare the comparison and the satisfaction of any other work that you've done. The respect that the students have for you is something that you can't compare to any other respect. And this is what he taught us. And that is why today, as a government, when we came in, we realized that we must start to restructure the education system. And it's not only because of all the teachings that were put in us, but if you look at the factual situation in terms of our education system, we are having a lot of challenges. Friends, today, in higher secondary, we have only 54,000 students who are studying. In secondary school, we have only 1 lakh children who are studying. Yet if you look at the population of children between the age of 15 and 19, the children who should be going to this kind of level of school and college, we have over 4 lakh children who are in that category. So only 1,50,000 of these 4 lakh children today are getting access to secondary and high secondary education. In terms of college education, 67,000 children today are studying in college. And yet, the number of children who are eligible to go to college today, the population is over 3,85,000. Again, a very huge gap in our system. And therein lies the challenge for the government and for all of us. Today, at the end of our children being educated, on an average every year, We have 1 lakh youth who are entering the workforce. 1 lakh on average. So every 5 years we have 5 lakh children and youth who will enter the workforce. And therefore, as a government, it is our responsibility to ensure that we shape, we train, and we ensure that these youth who are going to enter the workforce are employable, so that we can absorb them in the system. And of course, as a government, we need to also create those jobs for the people that is concerned. The reason, friends, I'm telling you all of this is because it is important for us to realize the kind of role that teachers today play in shaping our society, in shaping our youth, and in shaping the future of our state.